Okay.
Standard T's. Attention.
Hi everyone, I'm Gayatri. Today we the students of class 5th B gonna present online assembly. Everybody knows about the pandemic, so we are helpless to do the school assembly as normal. We begin this program with a devotional song. I introduce my friend Tanmaya for prayer.
Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be, I giving to you, Lord, I giving to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you, is a gift to you. Everything I have, everything I have, all you given me, all you given me. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you, is a gift to you. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be, I giving to you, Lord, I giving to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you, is a gift to you, is a gift to you.
Now welcome my friend Kritik for pledge.
Attention.
Okay.
Standard T's. Attention.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders, treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and my people. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Next, thought for the day. Let's invite Adish.
Thought for the day. Be kind to nature and she will be kind to you. Words by Sally J. Smith. I repeat, be kind to nature and she will be kind to you. Words by Sally J. Smith. Thank you.
I request Amit Krishna to read the news headlines.
All. My name is Amit Krishna. Today I am going to read the news. Kerala seeks TN participation in constructing new dam at Mullaperiyar. Kerala businessman shot dead in Texas aimed robbery bid. Police arrest number 18 hotel owner Roy and 5 employees for destroying CCTV visuals. Earthquake near Pala. Wind tremors felt at 3 spots. Coronavirus spreads in deer and other animals. Scientists worry about that what means for people. Shabarimala pilgrimage spot booking facility to restart on Thursday. TV debates causing more pollution than anybody says SC. Delhi pollution. SC wraps bureaucracy. Rajasthan cabinet expanded 15 ministers sworn in. Air pollution. Delhi schools to remain shut for physical classes. Thank you to all.
Now it's time for a speech. Afisha, are you ready? Come on, Afisha.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak a few words about Children's Day. In India, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. This day is celebrated on the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who was also known as Chachaji. He was a prominent leader and a great freedom fighter. He had immense love for children and believed that children are the real future of the nation. Children's Day is celebrated to make people aware that children are the real future of the country. So, let us all celebrate this day with happiness. Thank you.
Here comes Hari Krishnan to present a moral story.
My name is Harishan. I am studying in 5B in Govt.Town UPS Kottarakkara. I am telling a moral story. The cows and the lion. 5 cows lived in a little forest. They ate fresh grass in a large green meadow. They are kind friends. They decided to do everything together so the lions couldn't attack them for food. One day the 5 cows food and each one started to eat grass in a different places. The lion decided to seize the opportunity and they killed them one by one. Moral: unity is strength. Thank you.
Here we end our online assembly. Welcome Netra for the national anthem. जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब